Dear, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to fix muted videos on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. How to fix muted videos on TikTok? Click on the TikTok app, click on this plus mark and switch it to video mode and start to make video by clicking this red icon. After that, click on this red mark and add sound. If there is any sound here like this sound, you have to click on that cross mark and your video will be muted. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.